When most people think about skilled trades, they think about working for someone else. Clock in, do the job, collect a paycheck. But here's what many people don't realize. Some of the wealthiest people in skilled trades aren't employees anymore. They're business owners. They started as electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, welders, or carpenters. Then one day they opened their own company. Now they're hiring employees instead of being one. They're bidding on large projects, building customer relationships, growing their reputation, and in many cases, building businesses worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. The best part? Many of these careers don't require a traditional 4-year college degree. So which skilled trades offer the best opportunities to become your own boss? How much can you realistically earn? And what does it actually take to build a successful trade business? Today, we're breaking down some of the best skilled trades that can lead to business ownership. Let's get started. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why skilled trades are such a great path to business ownership. Every community needs skilled tradespeople. Homes need repairs, businesses need maintenance, new buildings need construction, equipment breaks, systems wear out, infrastructure ages. That means demand never completely disappears. When you first enter a trade, you're learning technical skills. But over time, you're also learning how businesses operate. You're seeing pricing, scheduling, customer service, estimating, project management, and operations. Eventually, those skills can become the foundation for your own company. Let's begin with painting. Many people underestimate this business. Professional painting companies work on homes, apartment complexes, commercial buildings, schools, warehouses, and industrial facilities. Startup costs are often lower than many other trades. As your reputation grows, you can hire crews, manage multiple projects at once, and expand into commercial contracts. Many successful painting businesses started with one person and a truck. Landscaping is far more than mowing grass. Successful companies install irrigation systems, outdoor lighting, retaining walls, drainage systems, patios, outdoor kitchens, and complete landscape designs. Many business owners begin by offering one service before expanding into full-service outdoor construction. Recurring maintenance contracts also provide predictable monthly income. Welding offers tremendous opportunities for entrepreneurship. Many experienced welders eventually open mobile welding businesses, fabrication shops, trailer repair services, industrial repair companies, structural steel businesses, or custom metal fabrication shops. Businesses constantly need welding services. The key is developing a specialty that separates you from the competition. Custom fabrication often commands higher profit margins than general repair work. Carpentry naturally leads into business ownership. Many carpenters eventually become remodeling contractors, custom cabinet builders, deck builders, trim specialists, home renovation companies, or general contractors. As your experience grows, you begin managing larger projects instead of simply performing labor. Some remodeling companies eventually expand into complete home renovations and new construction. Electricians are always in demand. Homes, businesses, factories, schools, hospitals, and construction projects all require electrical work. After gaining experience and meeting licensing requirements, many electricians become electrical contractors. Instead of completing every installation themselves, they manage crews, bid commercial projects, coordinate inspections, and grow businesses serving residential, commercial, or industrial customers. Many highly successful electrical companies started with a single service vehicle. This may surprise some people. Commercial cleaning can become an incredibly successful business. Office buildings, medical facilities, schools, warehouses, retail stores, banks, and industrial facilities all require regular cleaning services. Many owners begin cleaning buildings themselves. Eventually, they hire employees, expand service areas, and build recurring monthly contracts. The predictable revenue model makes this business especially attractive. Heating and air conditioning systems require regular maintenance, repairs, replacements, and emergency service. That means HVAC companies often enjoy repeat customers throughout the year. Many technicians eventually become HVAC contractors. As their customer base grows, they hire additional technicians, expand service vehicles, offer maintenance agreements, and bid commercial installation projects. Some of the largest HVAC companies began with one technician working out of a garage. Plumbing remains one of the strongest businesses in the skilled trades. Water leaks don't wait. Neither do clogged drains, burst pipes, water heater failures, or sewer problems. Plumbers provide services that people genuinely need. Many eventually expand into residential service, commercial plumbing, new construction, drain cleaning, water treatment, or specialty plumbing systems. Emergency service also creates opportunities for premium pricing. Water treatment, or specialty plumbing systems. Emergency service also creates opportunities for premium pricing. General contractors don't necessarily perform every trade themselves. Instead, they coordinate entire construction projects. They hire subcontractors, manage schedules, order materials, communicate with clients, monitor budgets, and oversee project completion. Many successful general contractors originally worked as carpenters, electricians, plumbers, or other tradespeople. Before starting construction companies, leadership becomes just as important as technical skill. Roofing consistently creates successful business owners. Homes constantly need repairs. Storm damage creates insurance work. Commercial buildings require maintenance. New construction continues growing. Roofing companies often scale quickly by hiring installation crews while focusing on estimating customer service and operations. Like many trades, the greatest income potential often comes from running the business, not simply working in it. Notice something interesting? The most successful companies don't simply have the best technicians. They have excellent business systems. They answer the phone, show up on time, communicate clearly, price jobs correctly, deliver quality work, take care of customers, and build strong reputations. Technical skill gets you started. Customer service builds the business. One mistake many people make is opening a business too early. First, master your trade, learn estimating, understand scheduling, develop communication skills, learn how to read contracts, understand insurance requirements, build relationships with suppliers, and study basic business management. The better prepared you are, the smoother your transition into business ownership will be. Experience remains one of your greatest assets. Experience remains one of your greatest assets. Let's be realistic. Owning a business isn't easy. You'll wear many hats: technician, salesperson, customer service representative, bookkeeper, manager, recruiter, marketing department, and sometimes problem solver all in the same day. You'll also be responsible for payroll, insurance, taxes, equipment, scheduling, and keeping customers happy. Marketing department, and sometimes problem solver all in the same day. You'll also be responsible for payroll, insurance, taxes, equipment, scheduling, and keeping customers happy. The rewards can be tremendous, but so are the responsibilities. One of the biggest advantages of learning a skilled trade is that your career doesn't have to stop with employment. Your skills can become a business, a team, a brand, and eventually a company that creates opportunities not only for you, but for others as well. Many successful business owners didn't start with investors or huge amounts of money. They started by mastering a valuable skill, working hard, building trust, and serving customers well. If your long-term goal is becoming your own boss, skilled trades provide one of the clearest paths available. Now I'd like to hear from you. If you could own one skilled trade business, which would you choose? Electrical, HVAC, plumbing, welding, roofing, or something else? Leave a comment below. And if you're interested in skilled trades, healthcare careers, finance careers, technology careers, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.